In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to MSN quickly and easily using your Microsoft account. Whether you use MSN, Hotmail, Outlook, or Live, this is the same simple sign-in process, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get into your account without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Then go to the MSN homepage by typing MSN into the search bar or entering the website directly in the address bar. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the sign in button there, usually shown with a small profile silhouette icon. This is the button you need to click to begin the login process. Go ahead and select it, and MSN will take you to the Microsoft sign-in page. Now you'll see a box asking for your email address, phone number, or Skype name. For MSN login, enter the full email address linked to your Microsoft account. That could be an MSN email, a Hotmail address, an Outlook address, or a Live email address. Make sure you type it correctly, then click Next. After that, MSN will move you to the password step. Here, type in your Microsoft account password carefully. If you're using a shared device or a public computer, make sure no one is watching while you enter it. Once your password is in, click Sign In. If your details are correct, you should now be logged in to MSN and have access to your personalized homepage, email-related features, and other Microsoft services connected to your account. If you don't get signed in right away, double-check that your email address and password are entered correctly, and that's it. You now know how to log in to MSN using your Microsoft account. It only takes a few seconds once you know where the sign-in button is and what information to enter. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.